Right. Okay. Welcome to another video, another episode. Welcome back on my channel. Welcome back on my podcast. Welcome back on my YouTube page. Right. I spoke in other videos about the road being built by the government of Zimbabwe by contracting five companies, contractors to do the work on the road from Bulawayo Town Center, Bulawayo City Center, right to Victoria Falls, or extending all the way to Victoria Falls, going straight to Victoria Falls. Now, I want to say something since this one is a podcast where I assess, investigate, examine, where I kill the animal and I go deep down into the meat, looking at everything. So, this is what I'm going to do on this podcast right now. Okay, I see a connection, I see a strong relationship between the Trababras interchange, Harare Trababras interchange, that was uh, officially commissioned last month by the president of this country, by the top leader of this country, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. And this road, Bulawayo to Victor Falls Road, I see a connection, I see a relationship between these two mega developments in the country of Zimbabwe, in the nation of Zimbabwe. I see a strong connection, a strong relationship between these two projects, two great works, right? The first one, I would like to say, again, is through the mind or the brains or the hands of the president of this country or the top leader of this country, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, to come with a plan, to have a vision, a dream, and build that road from Bulawayo Town Center going to Victoria Falls, from Bulawayo Town Center, Bulawayo City Center, going all the way to Victoria Falls. It's coming as a brainchild from of Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa and his government, of course, of his government and of his cabinet. Second, I would like to say the companies that are doing the work on the Bulawayo to Victoria Falls Road, the companies, these five companies, five contractors that are doing the work, three of them, they did the work on the Trababs interchange. Three of these companies were also given the work, the mandate to construct, build, engineer that Trababs interchange that you see today, that you enjoy today, that you celebrate today. Of course, that you also appreciate the president for coming up with that vision or that plan. So the first one goes by the name Masimba Contracting, and the second one, Fossil Contracting, and the third one, Tensor Systems. Tensor Systems, Masimba Contracting, and Fossil Contracting. These three companies, they did the work on the Trababras interchange in Harare, Zimbabwe, capital city of Zimbabwe. And now, in June 2025, they've already started the work on Bulawayo to Victoria Falls Road. These three same companies again, plus an additional of two companies, the name Cyven Investments and Bitumen Resources. Bitumen Resources, Cyven Investments, to make them a total of five, a grand total of five. So these are the connections that I see when it comes to the Zimbabwe Harare Trababras interchange. Zimbabwe Harare Trababras interchange and the Bulawayo Victoria Falls Road. In terms of the companies building, the companies constructing, or the companies contractors doing the work on that project of the road Bulawayo to Victoria Falls. Three of the companies, they also did the work on the Trababras interchange in Harare, capital city of Zimbabwe. Then I spoke about this project, Bulawayo to Victoria Falls Road, again brain, is the brainchild of the president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. So these are the connections. These are the connections. Of course, there are relationships or connections in a positive light, in a positive way, in a great, beautiful way. I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm feeling good when I think, meditate, and ponder about these developments that are taking place in Zimbabwe, that are happening right in front of our eyes, right in front of our presence in Zimbabwe, as Zimbabwean citizens, Zimbabwean people, Zimbabwean nationals, Zimbabwean children. You understand? So, personally speaking, I'm happy, I'm excited. What about you? You're listening to me talk, speak, and narrate all this whole story. What do you say? What are your comments? What came in your mind? What popped up in your brain? What popped up in your brain or mind? Drop, write, type your comments in the comment section. I'll check them out. I'll see them out. Otherwise, I'm done talking. So these are the relationships. These are the connections. Simple, but the powerful connections. Simple, but the powerful relations between the Harare Trababras interchange and the Bulawayo Victoria Falls Road project. In terms of the companies that are doing the work, the contractors that have been contracted to do the work, plus the one who came with a vision, the one who came with a dream to build that road, is the same guy, is the same great man, big man, the top leader of this country, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. Long live the president, long live leader of this country, Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp to you.